space object is hurtling towards Earth, and while it could just be a comet, a renowned theoretical physicist is pushing the possibility that it could be a nuclear-powered spacecraft. This is the image of the so-called Three-Eye Atlas, raising new questions, with Harvard professor Avi Loeb theorizing this Manhattan-sized space object could be emitting its own light. And if that's the case, it could indeed be alien technology. Adding to the mystery, Three-Eye Atlas also appearing to lack something all comets have in common: a tail. So what exactly could this be, and are we ready for it?
Evidence that there is no tail behind the object. So we see the object as red, and there was a suggestion maybe dust in front of it is making it red, but in fact there is not enough dust. There is very little dust in front of it. One thing that was reported just a few days ago is from another observatory, Sphere X, that claims to have detected carbon dioxide, CO2, in a large region around this object. We don't know why that the same instrument didn't detect any water. Often, in the case of comets, you see water molecules, and that was not detected. So the mystery remains. Why don't we see a cometary tail? Why do we see glow ahead of the object, not behind it? If the object happens to be 20 kilometers in diameter, as is the case, if the reddening is just the surface of the object, from its brightness we infer that it must be of order 20 kilometers, then it's very difficult to get such a giant rock out of the rocky material in interstellar space. We expect such a giant rock to be delivered once per 10,000 years or longer. There is not enough rocky material to deliver it within the past decade. So the question remains, what is this object? Is it a very rare rock that is not really a typical comet that we're used to? Or maybe it was targeting the inner solar system because of some technological design. And the trajectory of this object is aligned with the planets around the sun. And that leads me to suggest that we must monitor it. I currently give it a 4. Between 0 for a natural object and a 10 for a definitely technological object. And I hope that the data from the Webb telescope that should have been collected already but not publicized will tell us more about it.